Hey guys, Kxffie here. Welcome back to another video, and today I will be showing you my latest project and how to make it. Now first, let me just show you some of it, and let's code it first and then I'll show you, because I have the code up here. It's already finished, but yeah. So first what you're going to do is make a folder, I guess, whatever you want, A, B, C, D, E, whatever. Put it in your editor. And then right here, main.py, that's all you need, right? And then what you'll do is start typing this. Import CV2. If you do not have CV2, you'll do pip install CV2. I'm pretty sure. Either that or CV zone. One of the two. But you need both anyways. So you'll import CV2, and then from actually, okay, yeah, this is where we import the CV zone. From CV zone dot selfie module, selfie segmentation module, import selfie segmentation, right? Make new lines. And then we'll use cap for capture is equal to CV2 dot video capture 0 to get your base camera. Then you'll do cap dot set 3640 and cap dot set 480. I don't know if those are if these last ones needed, or any of them was needed, to be honest, but I just have it. Then you want to do segment or is equal to selfie segmentation. And yeah, we'll just do this real quick. While true, success image is equal to cap.read. We'll use cv2.imshow video, and it'll be image out, right? And just for a parameter, oh yeah, image out is equal to segmenter dot remove bg, and it'll be image. And then let's do the color green, so RGB, and then threshold is equal to, let's say 0 for now. Let's run it, and what should happen is that your camera comes on. My camera's turned on. Not responding. Weird. Whatever. We'll just close out of it and continue the code. Now, let's make it to where this removes your background, right? You don't want this threshold to be like, what, 0.5? And then let's make some colors. Green is equal to 0, 255, 0. And blue, in case you want a blue screen, 255, 0, 0. And I know RGB, but in this it's BGR, okay? You have to stay up with that. And then we'll do set color is equal to green as a base, because that's usually what you do. And now let's make the little thing. So we go up here, we go up to the top and import CV zone. And then we just go here. No, not right there. It doesn't matter, to be honest, but cascade is equal to CV2. Actually, no, let's not work on this part yet. Let's make a threshold. So max threshold is equal to 1, and then threshold is equal to 0, And let's do a minimum, or I mean normal. Threshold normal is equal to 0.5, just in the middle, right? So now, while true, success and image out. And let's turn this grayscale is equal to cv2.cvt color image out, and then cv2.color bgr to gray, and I think that's it, because this is worse. You know, here, let's make the keys so real quick. Key is equal to cv2.weight key x 1, right? And we'll say if key is equal to 2424832, which is the left arrow key. If threshold normal is greater than the minimum threshold, we do threshold normal minus equals 0.5 because we're going down. And let's copy this. Let's just change this backwards and change this to max and plus. Then we change the key to 25555 Oops, get rid of a 5. And that'll be our right key. This will change the colors. And then we can do, oh yeah, don't say if, do elif. Elif key is equal to 2490368. We can do if set color is equal to green, set color is equal to blue. Else, set color is equal to green. Oops. And we can just get rid of this. There we go. This is just a swap. If green, then blue, else green. And then we can do LF key is equal to 27 break, meaning it stops the entire thing, right? And before we get on with the thing, we're going to have to implement Harskid frontal face, and it's right here. We just rename, copy, and just make a new file called that. And I'll leave a download in the description for this, but yeah, it's just really long. And just paste that into there, save it, and no, save, and then there, right? And there we go. So then we can go back up here over segments, or we can do cascade. So go to cv2.cascade classifier, and then do the file. And then here's a little overlay thing. This is for my new camera. It's going to be a little laggy, but it's okay. Overlay is equal to cv2.imread username.png, and cv2.imread unchanged. Okay, this looks good so far. CV zone is still not imported, but we will do that right here. We can do faces is equal to cascade.detect multi-scale, and then grayscale. Get rid of these numbers, we don't need them. And then we can do for X, Y, W, H, and faces overlay. Oh yeah, okay, yeah. Username.png. This is where you can put, like, I don't know, your Minecraft username, which is what I'm gonna do. So if you look in here, here's my name. I turn it into a little PNG. So I can just copy, paste, right? So, oops. After that, let's just do overlay, because it's going to be huge. Resize is equal to cv2.resize overlay, and then W50, because I have it long ways, so it's going to be like, I don't know, half. It'll look decent, but the width stays the same. Okay, and then what we can do is image out is equal to cv zone dot overlay PNG image out overlay resize X and Y minus 120, because we want it not directly interface, because I'll show you what it looks like in a second. And this might be it. So let's try it. There we go. You can see the green screen is working. It just says that's a face. It says the headphones are a face. Okay, but now, see, it's on my head, right? Let's, oops, escape button. Now, what we can do is this, minus 120. And then, when we run it again, you'll see it looks like a Minecraft username where it hovers above your head. See? Oh, whoops. Okay. This error code is generally when it gets out of screen, it breaks. And I have no clue how to fix it. And I'll probably find a way anyways. Yeah, see? Let me raise my camera up a bit, just so it doesn't like instantly break. And there we go. Looks like a Minecraft username. It's pretty cool. But let's use the arrow keys. And let's just okay, let's change the I don't even know what's wrong. What's going on? Here, let me just, yeah, that's the same. Yeah, it's the same. Weird. That's the exact same. If I just like copy and paste this. The only thing that changes are the sizes of those. Oh, I see what's wrong. Okay, we need to change this back to threshold normal, and then it'll change. There we go. Now let's press the arrow keys. Now if you go completely up, it'll go completely green, right? But let's turn it as down as possible. It's not going down. How much is it going up by? 0.5, no, 0.5. Just so it's smoother. Stop. 0.05. Then it's smoother instead of going halfway each time. There we go. Then we can make it smaller. There's 0. Then we can just do this. And yeah, in here we can do this. Window capture, and we can capture this, right? Let's put myself down here. You don't want that green screen now, do you? Let's go into here, filters, and Chroma key, and boom. Basically a green screen for free. But it is kind of laggy. But look, my name tag. And so yeah, I made this last night, and I thought this would be pretty cool to make. So yeah, thank you.